So hi guys, so our today's topic is write a C program to find the area and perimeter of a square. So let's start. Hash include studio.h int main int side area and perimeter. So here printf enter the value of side. So here area is equal side into side and perimeter is equal to side into 4. So here we write printf area equal to percentage d slash n area, and here printf perimeter equal to percentage d comma perimeter. Now here we write return 0. So let's run it. We enter the, oh sorry, we have missed here scanf percentage d comma ampersand s, sorry, side. So now let's run it. So now here we enter 5. So it is giving us area 25 and perimeter 20. So guys, thank you for watching the video.